Might need more. Leatherface is behind you, yo. Look at that look. She's like, whatever. You tough, kid. You tough.
Okay, I'm gonna do you.
All right, well, we made it. There it is. It's called Hoopers now. Hoopers.
So we got parked on the side.
All right, well, we parked right here. I'm not sure if we're supposed to. Woo, been on the road for 10 hours today, man. I'm beat. But we're only a couple hours away from San Antonio, so it's a quick, easy drive tomorrow. But I do need to see if I'm allowed to park right there. So that's why I parked. Somebody did, and then they moved, so I'm not sure. But there we go, man. This is the 1973-74 original Texas Chainsaw Massacre House. It was relocated here, and they turned it into a restaurant, which is now known as Hoopers.
Hoopers.
Mr. Hoopers. That does look cool though with the sun right behind it. Leatherface killed somebody right there, and he buried him. Wow. Looks as creepy as ever, man. That's all I can say right there. What's up? Come on. Nice. Oh, they're going up there? I guess they're waiting. Alright, well. That's where it was. Oh, he even came out. He scared me. No, I'm kidding. Oh, they all survived, so that's a good thing, right? Alright, let's go up there and see what's happening. Alright, let's go. Look at it. They're all alive. Oh, that glare. Oh. What you gonna show me?
They said 15, 20 minutes.
That's fine. You made the reservation and everything?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, what are you guys doing? You signing it?
Yeah, I sign my name with over.
You know what he does in the movie?
What?
He gets a little axe, hammer, and bonks you in the noggin and eats your brains. Don't pull it off him. No touches.
He has a white face.
Yeah, well, he's really old.
Huh?
Oh shoot, 7.
Yeah, 727.
Oh, shoot. Oh, you all trying to get over here? Sorry about that. This is not gonna fall, right? Oh, look, he's got a little hand right here. How cool is that? And here comes more people. So what is that thing you guys just did right there?
It's just like a little book with people signing when they're here. Oh my god.
What? He's so cute. Alright, right there, see him? That's the real dude. Listen. The one that's gonna get you. Alright, let me put my John Hancock in here. So these are all the people who's visited. And I'm gonna find a spot right here. Oh, I'm shaking and rolling. Waiters was here 072724. There we go. So yeah, everybody can come up here and sign this. This is like really old. Pretty creepy. I like it though. Alright. Get out of the way of everybody here. It is really busy. Whoa.
Come on, guys.
Oh.
Oh, it's okay.
Now let's see if it slows down a little bit.
Yeah, slow down.
See, everybody's eating in here. Ooh, look at the hand way back there. How cool is that?
No, you want to go outside?
Let me do a quick walkthrough. Oh, look at that. They all got kidnapped. All right.
Well, I can look at the menu so I can decide what I want.
Oh, you know, it'll be the same thing you got 4 or 5 years ago. I don't either.
Bought my chainsaw.
I know, right? I should have brought mine too. I have a brand new one from Trick or Treat Studios, the Leatherface one too. I'm not sure if this is a bar bit. Take it out. He's really cool. We see him all the time in San Antonio. Oh, look at the kitty cat. I didn't even see the cat there. He's a cute little kitty cat right there. It's just chilling. Look. Aww. That cute little cat. I'm gonna walk around. You gonna walk? Well, I gotta get the back. Come right here, Harp. Follow me. Oh, you That thing looks good, especially with the sun setting like this right now. Yeah. Oh, Harp, don't cross paths with me. I can't see.
Yeah, but I saw that thing that said on the desk it says cricket season, don't see it.
Oh, look.
Jumping thing.
The jumping crickets.
Yeah,
I know,
pictures of
because
Jimmy
they're just
Cricket.
like flying there. Watch where you go, Harp. Harp, pay attention. No, you're fine. That looks creepy. Especially with the sun setting like that.
Can I get one of these guys?
Yeah. Is that a scary house?
No.
You don't find that scary?
Not you, can't love you.
You see, this is why do you think all these people are taking pictures? Because this is a famous house. Leatherface. Oh no, that's feather face. Feather face. Feather face. Feather face.
Now you can do it too.
Okay.
That's feather face.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know my channel? Hi.
Where are we at right now? What's this?
Hoopers.
Hoopers? But what is Hoopers about?
Where they
Food? So I guess they don't know that fish.
they shot a horrifying movie.
Is that your son with the rock star hair?
Yeah. I'm a big YouTuber. They came out and they're like, you YouTuber? And I'm like, yeah. So I tell them, I said, you want to be in my video? They're like, yeah. Yeah, no, he's a little rock and roll I just think you
hairband.
grow up that way.
Bring it back to the
old school.
80 style of it.
Thank you. I guess it's like the one hotel where they had nubbies. Nah, this one has tail.
Is this someone's cat or is it wild?
It might be just a house cat. Oh, look at that. She's like, oh, that feels like good. I know, right? She's gonna go kaplunk. All right, we've been beeped. Oh, yeah, it's just the bar. Huh? I don't know. I need that mask right about now.
I don't know when I should have.
So when I do the review, because I think I'm gonna do the review of that chainsaw from the Trick or Treat Studios in front of us. But I need that mask. That's a good boy. Oh no, we're going up here.
When are you gonna release the new video?
When we get back, we're on a road trip. But here, watch, hit that home button.
That just takes me back to the YouTube home
Here, go back to my channel real quick.
Search.
Okay, now hit this. Now scroll up. Scroll. No, keep scrolling up. Scroll up. Scroll. Keep scrolling. Scroll. Try not to hit those.
It's reloaded. What happened?
But if you scroll there, you'll see all the other channels like this right here. See? So if you scroll on the home page like that, you'll see all of our channels. There's my wife's, there's Harper's right there.
No.
And there's a little silly one that we do.
Oh,
my
there
son.
they are. Okay,
Yeah.
phew. They don't
So
show.
you can see
my
all the other
Griffin
channels we
God.
got.
Other videos, cool.
Yep.
They don't show Griffin God. Yay.
Yeah, no, that one's not there.
How
All right.
old is she?
She's 8 years old. She's pretty big for an 8-year-old.
See, the old world's not there. I don't want them to be watching my videos. That's where all the videos
So
are. Daddy,
you can see that it does have the Chainsaw Margarita, Macabre Mule, the Ivory Master Martini, Connie's Key Lime Pie, Hitchhiker's Highball, Red Rum, Grandpa Sawyer, and Dog Will Hunt. Don't know how well that's coming. The Dog Will Hunt. They got a Dog Will Hunt drink. And then they have,
I want it.
or was it the Chicken Slaughter Sandwich? But not too many really scary names on here, but, and there's a Hitchhiker's Grilled Chicken. Alright, so my daughter got the mushrooms, the fried mushrooms. These look pretty good. The lighting's really low in here, so it's hard to see how well they really do. And the old lady got the Chainsaw Margarita. I don't drink, so, but it does look good. It's very refreshing. It looks like a jalapeno. Terry got the slider.
The slider sandwich.
The chicken slaughter sandwich. That's really good. My son got this big old giant Nubbins burger. We're gonna call it Nubbins burger. My daughter got the mushrooms, and I got the Dead People BLT. Red lettuce and tomato.
That looks really good.
It does though. The fries are amazing.
Here's your fry.
You try it?
Yeah.
All right, folks. Fright Fest, Hollow Scream, all this other stuff, Scream Hollow is all coming. We have a Chucky unboxing. Man, we got a lot of things coming up, all right? Until next time, you all stay spooky. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. Say what's up to my son. He's thinking about joining the Air Force. Can you dig that? I dig it.
You love her.